Hi guys, Facebook Reels sound video problem. So follow my stop. Open settings, scroll down and tap sound. Tap sound and media full sound. Okay, full sound. Go to back. Scroll down and tap apps and manage apps by apps list. Tap search button and type Facebook. Tap Facebook. Facebook book Facebook. Tap Facebook and tap Facebook stop. Okay, and tap clear and clear data, manage apps and clear all data, delete. So guys, problem solved. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.